Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fathir Iskandar Fatah. On this video, I will show you how to create your trash file on your computer or on your PC. This tutorial works for Windows users, and this tutorial works for every Windows version. It just different style or different display. And yeah, let's begin to the tutorial. First, you should turn on your computer or your laptop, and if you are in desktop like this, on your desktop like this, then you just press Windows button and R button at the same time, and then will appear the new Windows on left bottom. Run Windows, and yeah, then you just type temp like this, and then you press enter button on your keyboard, or you can click this button, OK button, and then you will go to temp folder in here. And yeah, on my computer, it just two files, but on your computer there is there are many files in this folder, in these temp folders. Yeah, all the files are trash. All the files are make your computer work slowly, and yeah, you should remove them. You should remove all the files. So the next step is you just press the control button and A button on the same time, and then it will select all the files. Then you press delete button on your keyboard, or you can click right mouse button and press this and click this button delete. Yeah, and your computer is deleting your files. If there is a new Windows like this, you just click this checkbox and skip. Why? Because these files are important for your computer. So the computer is disclaim you to don't remove these files. Yeah, and you just skip, yeah, press skip, and then will erase or will deleting your files. Then you just close this file explorer windows. You just close this, then press again Windows button and R button at the same time. Then you just type like this, %temp%, then press enter button on your keyboard, or yeah, or click this button. Then oh, there are a trash file. Yeah, so we should erase all this file. Do the same thing, Control plus A, and then press the button. And yeah, do the same thing too on this case. Check in here and press skip or click the skip button. Yeah. Next step, yeah, you close this File Explorer windows, close, and then you press again Windows button and R button at the same time. But on this case, you type prefetch. Oh, sorry, I forgot the E. Prefetch. Yeah. And then do the same thing. You just press enter button on your keyboard, or yeah, or click this button, and then you will go to prefetch folders in here. Yeah. Oh, there is. There are many trash files. We should erase this. Do the same thing. Control plus A and press delete button and delete all files. Do the same thing to, yeah, check this checkbox and skip. Then you close the File Explorer, and yeah, your computer will work faster than before because all the trash files were removed, were deleted. Yeah, I hope this tutorial is worth or is useful. That's all, and my name is Muhammad Fathir Iskandar Fatah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.